Welcome to Sushi Chill and Grill's Lazy Wraps Day. Today we're gonna make flaky carpaccio wrap with a truffle mayo. First I toasted the wrap. Oh man, it smells already good. Now a tablespoon of truffle mayo. And we're gonna cover the whole wrap. Of course you can use other sauces or sriracha or mayo or bacon mayo. Do whatever you like. I bought these delicious pre-cut slices of carpaccio meat and they're really good and really thin. I like that because we have to roll or wrap the wrap, so it doesn't need to be thick. And I used about 5 slices here. That should be enough for our beautiful flaky carpaccio wrap. Now some arugula. Look at that, how green it is, beautiful. Also some toasted pine nuts. I also crumbled up some Parmesan cheese. And this is of course a Parmigiano Reggiano. I added a little bit more of that delicious truffle mayo. Oh man, if you can buy it somewhere, you really have to. It's so good. And of course, more cheese, more Parmesan cheese. And I grated on, I don't know how much, but man, I love cheese. Now, it's finished. Well, will you look at that? I already could eat it in this form. It almost looks like a pizza. That gives me an idea. Now, I'm gonna try and fold this flaky wrap. And it's really hard to, because it will want to break. But we're gonna do it gentle. Now, I think it worked. Let's give this a clean cut and look inside. And we already know what's inside, so, but hey, everybody loves to see the inside. Now, it's ready, I'm hungry. Thank you for watching. I hope you like my flaky carpaccio wrap with truffle mayo, because I did, and it's really good. If you're new to the channel, I hope you subscribe. If not, give it a like and leave me a comment. And as always, see you next time.